Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1909, the Yorktown Historical Society elected a new president. Many people applied, and Mr. Henry Reed Hatfield was given the honor inside the old Nelson House. The Yorktown Historical Society is one of the oldest history organizations in the country. This week in 1911, Mrs. T.H. Geddy hosted an evening soiree showcasing her night-blooming flowers. Her friends arrived with flashlights to view the blooms, while others attempted to sketch the fragrant display of over 90 blossoms. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.